Okay, today we're talking about what to consider when hiring a company to work for you. So, whether you need plumbing, electrical work, HVAC work, painting, landscaping, flooring, roofing, or other services, here are some things to consider. So, do they have a good rating and good reviews on Google, Angie's List, and the Better Business Bureau website? Are they comparatively reasonably priced? You always want to get at least 3 different price quotes from 3 different companies. Are they licensed and insured to do the work that you're hiring them to do, whether you're hiring them to work in your home or in your business? Are they going to perform the work, or will they outsource the work to a subcontractor? Who is that subcontractor? What's their background? Are they licensed and insured? What are the warranty terms and conditions? Does it cover parts and labor? How long is the warranty? Do they have good communication? Do they respond to your emails? Do they return your phone calls? Are they friendly and professional? Do they explain all the charges clearly? I hope this information helps you. And lastly, if you're a facilities professional, I wanted to tell you about a practical facilities maintenance handbook now available on Amazon. Link in the video description below. This handbook is a great training guide and resource book for facilities professionals. It has common documents, signage, reference material, and shop equipment drawings, and more. Also, if you're looking for facilities maintenance stickers, there's a link in the video description below for this website that I put up specifically for facilities maintenance needs. I hope you find it helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.